record this for the second time. So as a final recap, this is the basic container that I use. You take a drill, this is a 2-inch hole. You use the same drill, obviously change the bit to make a smaller hole. That hole is where the air stone goes, using the tubing that you get from, well, basically any pet store. The seeds go in here. I usually use 2 in case one doesn't germinate. This goes into the pod. This goes on top of here, but basically you're going to use your solution first. You stir that around, put this in here, put the top on, and basically, boom, you end up with this. So maybe this is about a month and a half worth of growth, and this is the larger can if you want to do the larger one. So that's it.